Maharashtra State Excise Non-Conventional Energy and Thane Garden Minister Ganesh Naik, a household name in Navi Mumbai, is the embodiment of Navi Mumbai's spirit and distinction. A leader whose motto is Sarv Dharm Sambhav, he has worked untiringly to make Navi Mumbai a super city of the world. His vision has made Navi Mumbai a city of international standards in terms of living and lifestyles. He has improved the standards of education in government schools, promoted unity among all communities, and has been the sole guiding leadership of progress in Navi Mumbai. He is the city's favorite leader, popularly called as Dada, the big brother by all. Whether his followers or detractors, Thane Garden Minister Ganesh Naik is a visionary man who dares to dream of making the impossible possible. The road for him has not been easy. Tormented by controversies, plagued by corruption among followers, dodged by worries about delivering, Ganesh Naik has become a wiser man. In the process, he has undeniably made mistakes based on a stubborn belief in himself. Yet, his stature and integrity remains such that these failings tend to enhance rather than diminish his humanity. Thane Garden Minister Ganesh Naik's life is the extraordinary story of an epic of struggle, setback, renewed hope, and ultimate triumph, which even today remains virtually unknown to most in the world. To people around Navi Mumbai, Ganesh Naik is a source of courage, determination, and inspiration. To people around Navi Mumbai, Ganesh Naik stands for the triumph of dignity, triumph of self-discipline, triumph of love. Be it the State Excise Department revenue figure leaping from Rs 1700 crore to Rs 4000 crore, or NMMC buying a permanent source of water supply in Navi Mumbai, or building the high-tech STP plants or NMMC's School Vision or Garden Vision, or making contract workers permanent in NMMC, or continuously raising the issue of 2.5 FSI for old dilapidated Sitco buildings. All are the brainchild of Ganesh Naik, who has transformed Navi Mumbai into a 21st century world-class super city. Though measuring 5 feet 8 inches, Thane Garden Minister Ganesh Naik looks majestically simple in his appearance with an ever-smiling, genial countenance. This in fact overshadows his unfailing willpower to achieve his targets with the resilience and tenacity of a spider. Thane Garden Minister Ganesh Naik is known for his unprecedented accessibility and secular image. Navi Mumbaikars who have known him for years recall how Ganesh Naik works round the clock, at times for hours on foot in scorching sun without food and water, knowing firsthand the real problems of the people in their own language and their doorstep. Thane Garden Minister Ganesh Naik's strength lies in his stature as a mass leader since his advent in politics. Whether in or out of power, he has always championed the cause of the common man.